So the post-filter elements, the mineralised pH stabiliser, when you come to change them, they come as they are. You literally just take your blue tabs off. If you push those plastic bits in, I can give you a demonstration now. You can push those plastic bits in with your fingers and then pull the pipe, it just slides out. Simple as that. So when you come to change them, dead easy, comes like that, and you just change it like that. And you have these 3 filters at the front, which sometimes you need to change sort of every 12 months. Again, a code will appear on your digital screen. Dead easy, you just pull these forward, they all come forward, and then you just twist to the left hand side. It just pops out like that in the bin. Put your new one back in the same way. Just push it up and make sure you click that in, you feel it clicking. Also at the back we have the alkaline filter. Again, 12 to 18 months, could need changing. It will appear a code on the display. Again, simple to change, comes as it is. It's the blue tabs, you pull them out and you pinch that little plastic part down and it just pulls away from the pipe. Easy as that. Okay, what we have down here is a leak detecting device, which is some cotton wool in the bottom of there. So if that was to get wet, it'd expand and it'd shut the system off. And I'll just show you quickly how we can replace these. You take that little blue pin out, you twist it to the right hand side all the way to 180 degrees, and then that just pulls out and you can get to the cotton wool through there, and that'll need changing if that was to swell and trigger it to turn off. Simple to put back on, 180 degrees, turn to the left and it sort of locks in so it can't lift off, so you know it's in, and then just put your blue pin back. Job done. Yep. Taking the covers off, really simple. From the top, just pulls forward, lifts off. Couldn't be easier. To the top one, again, just pinch the sides, just push back, lift off. Simple as that. Okay, so at the back of our filter, it's all labelled up: in, drain, out. So we've got our hoses, and that's our cold incoming, and that just clicks in like that. Our drain, probably just have to nudge this a little bit closer. Our drain into our middle one just clicks in, and out to our tap in the third one, and that just clicks in, and then we can put our unit in position.
So the unit's in situ and we've turned it on and it's starting to filter the water into the tank.